How to check which apps are sending information on Windows. In today's connected world, many Windows apps and programs communicate with external servers for updates, patches, or data sharing. While most of these connections are harmless, some might raise concerns about privacy or unknown data usage. Here's a step-by-step guide to identify which apps are sending information from your Windows computer using Task Manager and the Netstat command. Step 1. Using Task Manager to monitor apps. Open Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager or search Task Manager in the Start menu. Expand to see more details. Go to the App History tab and locate the Network column. Click the Network column header to sort apps by their data usage. This view shows which apps have used the most network data over time. Step 2. Using Netstat to view active connections. The Netstat command allows you to view active network connections, showing which apps and processes are communicating externally. Step 2.1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Step 2.2. Run Netstat command. Type the following command to view active TCP connections and network statistics. CSS. Copy code. Netstat ESPTCP. This command displays detailed network activity, including packets sent and received. Step 2.3. Save Netstat data to a text file. To make the results easier to analyze, save the Netstat output to a text file. Create a folder named Activity on your C drive. Change the directory in Command Prompt. Bash. Copy code. cd/. Dir activity. cd activity. Run the Netstat command with file output. CSS. Copy code. Netstat ESPTCP bActivity1.txt. This saves the network data into a file named activity1.txt in the activity folder. Step 3. Analyze the results. Open the saved activity1.txt file in Notepad to view detailed network activity. Look for connections and identify processes or apps that you may not recognize. If needed, record real-time activity by running CSS. Copy code. Netstat b5activity2.txt.
The fix is complete.
This monitors connections over time and saves them to a file. Conclusion. By using Task Manager and the Netstat command, you can easily identify which applications are sending or receiving data on your Windows computer. Whether you're concerned about privacy, suspicious software, or just curious about your apps, these tools provide valuable insights into network activity.